Got a 2005 Toyota Corolla. Stereo is out, clock is out, and my charging port for my cigarette lighter is out. Today I'm going to show you where the fuse is and how to change it. Also, there's a spot where you may have some extra fuses. There's a fuse box under the hood, and there's a fuse box under the dashboard. I'll show you where those are at right now. So on the driver's side of the vehicle, you'll find this little box right here. It's got a little tab. These are all your fuses. These three right here are extra fuses. So you can take this clip out and pull this 15 out. So now we've got the spare. Let's go hop underneath the dashboard. I'll show you where the actual fuse is. So we're at the driver's side instrument panel, and underneath here is the fuse box. You're gonna have to crawl underneath to find it. All right, so I found out which fuse it was, and you can see it right here. It's completely burnt out. You can see that metal bridge is completely disconnected, so it's definitely a burnt fuse. 1, 2, 3, 4th row over from the passenger side toward the driver's side, and it's this little one right next to this tin slot. A little tight under here. All right, so I've got it jammed in there. All right, let's turn the key on. Let's see what we've got. You can see now that the radio is working, the clock is working, it is working. That one fuse operates 3 things. You may not find the fuse under stereo or clock. I do believe that they are all listed underneath cigarette lighter. Anyway, hope you found that helpful. You have a spare fuse underneath the dash for a recap. You have the little tool to pull it out. You crawl underneath the driver's side panel. 4th fuse over that you saw is the